Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how we can change password on Facebook. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. Then at the bottom right tap menu. Then at the top right tap this jar icon. Tap account center. Tap password and security. Change password. Select your profile. Add current password. Add new password. Again, retype new password. Just change password. You changed your Facebook password. That's all. Have a nice time.